Hello friends, how are you all? This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Friends, I have a video series based on Microsoft Excel and this is the first video in English of the series. With this video series, we will learn Excel from the very beginner level to advanced level. So we are going to start this series by knowing some of the basic shortcuts which will make our work easier. So let's start the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get notification of all my updates. So let's start friend. At first I am going to run the OSK, that means on-screen keyboard here, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing on my keyboard. Then obviously open the Microsoft Excel software. Here it is. So I have created a data file previously that which of the shortcuts we are going to learn today. So I will simply open it. It's located on desktop. So here it is. So friend, look at here. We are going to learn these shortcuts, and yes, of course I have a bonus shortcut trick that I will show you at the end of the video. So friends, the very basic and first shortcut that is quite similar of any other software is Ctrl+N. The function of this shortcut is when you press these keys together, a new worksheet will open. You don't need to go files, then go to menu, then files or new worksheet. You can simply press the Ctrl. Look at here friends, Ctrl+N. We will get a new worksheet here, and you will also have the previous file here. So now you have both files. So now we have learned it. Color it yellow. Then the second basic shortcut that is also quite similar shortcut of any other software is Ctrl+O. By pressing these keys together, we can open any existing or previously created Excel files. We don't have to go to any other option and waste our time. We can simply press Ctrl. Look at here friend, Ctrl+O. That will open this menu and we can have the previous created file. You can open it here. So you can see that it has been opened. So we have also learned this shortcut, so we are going to color it yellow. Another very important shortcut that will help us in our work, that is Ctrl+S. This shortcut always helps us to save our worksheet and our time also. We don't need to touch our mouse and go to here, then save option, click on save. We don't need to do this. We can simply press the Ctrl and S button or key that will save our worksheet. Another very important shortcut, that is F12. What can it be done with F12? Whenever we press the F12, it will open the save as menu friends. Look at here, it is opened as saved as menu. So in this option we can save our Excel worksheet or workbook in any other extensions. It will help us save our time. We do not need to go to this file menu option, then save as, then any other option. F12 button that will open the save as menu here. So we have learned this shortcut, so we have to color it yellow. Then friends, do we need to close only the current worksheet? Only this worksheet? Don't worry, you can do it by only pressing the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus F4. Look at here, when I am pressing it together, what happens? This is Ctrl and F4. So I am saving it. Yes. This is the new. So friends, whenever you press the Ctrl plus F4 button, that worksheet that will open that time, it will be closed then. So now I am going to open that lesson file, Ctrl plus O, and the lesson file will be on desktop, then Learn Excel, then lesson 1. So here it is, we have learned this shortcut keys. This is very important shortcut key, friend. Then if you want to close total worksheet as well as the software, just press the Alt and F4 keys together. The total Excel software will be turned off. Look at here, I am pressing it, Alt plus F4. Here save. See friends, it has been closed. We simply have to call Alt plus F4 button. The total Excel file, Excel software will be closed here. Hey friends, you all are watching this video to know some Excel shortcuts, right? So what if I tell you that you can also open the Excel software with only a keyboard shortcut? What you have to do, just set it in the menu option. Go to the file location of the Excel software. In my case, that is here. In Windows 10 it will on Start menu, then All Apps, then Microsoft Office. Here you have to find that Microsoft Office folder, that is this one, and right click on the Microsoft Office Excel. Here it is. Go to file location, it will be here, I think. More, then open file location. Go to the Microsoft Office Excel and right click on it. Then go to Properties. It will open this tab. Go to Shortcut tab. Then in the shortcut key, type anything you want. In my case, I'll give that Ctrl plus Alt plus E. That means whenever I will press Ctrl plus Alt plus E button in my keyboard, it will open the Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Click on just apply, continue, then OK. Now let's check the shortcut key if it will actually happen. We have to simply press the keys that will Ctrl, Alt and E. Here it is friends. It opened the software. That means it actually works. Tricky, right? So friends, that's all today. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you soon. Stay tuned.